Welcome to this tutorial on Airplay 2. In this video, we'll show you how to use Phantom with Airplay. Invented by Apple, Airplay makes streaming effortless from any iOS-enabled device. Using our app, check if Phantom is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your iPhone, iPad, or computer. Now play any track from any app on your iPhone. Access your iPhone's control center. Locate the streaming icon on the top right. Tap once to activate. Select Phantom from the list. Airplay is ready to roll. You can also create a multi-room setup between Phantoms and other Airplay 2-enabled speakers directly from your iPhone's control center. Select Phantom from the list and select the other Airplay 2 devices with which you want to make a multi-room installation. You can control the volume of each room individually, as well as the volume of the entire system. Thank you for watching this tutorial.